Okay, right, I'm going to be going through section 3, which is one of the highlighted sections, which means it's in that early part of the booklet, saying I can understand and calculate using column vectors. So these are these two videos from Hegarty Maths, and it's question 3 on your exam, but it's actually the first section there. This is one of the ones that you have to get it from a different website. Okay, so we're doing this one, but it's actually this question here. This is so section 3, whatever that one is. Right, remember that a vector is showing size and direction. Okay, so the vector A and the vector B is shown on the grid. So the vector A is in that direction and that far, which means sort of 1 across and 2 up. The vector B is in that direction and that far, so 1 across and 3 down. Okay. So on the grid, draw and label vector minus 2a. Well, let's have a little think about this. If that's 1a, 2a would just be 2 then, wouldn't it? So if I sort of draw this again there, that would be a going from there to there. So going from there up to there, and then from there up to there, that would be 2a. Okay, but that going from there up to there, oops, light's just gone off. Going from there up to there would be positive 2a. So if I want to make it negative 2a, I just put an arrow going in the opposite direction on it. Okay, and that's it. Dead easy. So that one is minus 2a. Right, part B. Work out a plus 2b as a column vector. So what we need to do is write a and b in column vectors. So a, remember the column vector, the top number is how many right or left, and the bottom number is how many up or down. So if I go from there, how many right or left do I go? Well, I go 1 right, which is positive 1, and then I go 2 up, which is positive 2. So knowing that, can you spot what B is? So B, remember, going from there down to there. Well, how many right or left do we go? We go 1 right, which is 1 again on the top, but then we go 3 down, which is minus 3, like that. Okay, so if I want to work out a plus 2b, it means I want 1 lot of a, okay, it's not a fraction, plus 2 lots of b. So I want that. Okay, 1, 2 plus 2 lots of 1 minus 3. Now the way that we do this is you multiply this one out first. So you've got 1, 2 plus 2 times 1, which is 2, and 2 times minus 3, which is minus 6. And then these things work out really nicely. You just add the top numbers, add the bottom numbers. So 1 add 2 is 3, and 2 add minus 6 is minus 4. So that's my answer there, 3 minus 4. Okay. Vectors are really, really easy as long as you remember what they are. They don't require any really nasty working out or anything like that. They're all about direction. They effectively work the way that we would like fractions to work. So when you add fractions, you would love to just add the top numbers at the bottom numbers. You can't do that, you have to get the bottom numbers the same. But vectors work in exactly the same way. Right, if you had to just copy all that, cover it up, go back and do it again. Okay, so cover that up there and ask yourself, could I do that minus 2a again? Okay, cover this part up and ask yourself, could you work out part B again? Or go on Hegarty Maths and have a little look at those 2 video clips there and there.